In this presentation, we will explore about the feasibility studies and project planning, emphasizing their role in ensuring project success. We will begin by discussing the challenges of conducting feasibility studies, including addresses uncertainties, scope definition, and risk management. Next, we will delve into the importance of clear and defined project scope, exploring how proper boundaries and realistic goals set the stage of our success. From there, we will examine technical approaches outlining how early architecture planning provides a solid foundation for development. Estimation techniques will also be covered, emphasizing methods for breaking down complex tasks and accounting for unexpected delays. Agile velocity and its use in managing effort over time will be introduced as a flexible, essential markers for tracing progress. Finally, we will explore about the creation of an outline plan, risk management strategies, and the significance of maintaining a dynamic and well-communicated project plan. The comprehensive agenda ensures a well-rounded understanding of the principles and practices for effective project management. Feasibility studies are crucial yet challenging because they deal with uncertainties. These uncertainties include defining the scope, estimating the benefits, and determining the resources or time needed. Additionally, technical approaches might fail or organizational adjustments may be required. There is also the concept of opportunity cost, what will lose by pursuing one option over another. That's why feasibility studies rely heavily on experienced people's judgment, as early mistakes in the planning can be costly. Advocacy of your project is important to build support, but it's equally crucial to be cautious of risk distortion or hidden agendas, as they can derail the study's objectivity. Clarifying the scope is one of the most important steps in planning. It involves defining the boundaries of the system by listing features to be included and excluded, as well as identifying dependencies and current systems being replaced. Ambiguity in scope often leads to dissatisfaction among stakeholders or clients. A thorough review of existing systems, including competitor systems, can provide valuable insights and set realistic expectations for what the new system will achieve. A strong technical approach ensures that the proposed system is feasible. This means understanding the scale like the number of users, data volume or transaction rates, and identifying any features that require new research or expertise. For instance, some features may demand domain-specific knowledge or advanced techniques. By developing a tentative system architecture such as deciding on data storage, user interfaces, or deployment infrastructures, we can better estimate resources and timelines. While the final approach might change during development, early analysis lays a solid foundation for planning. Estimation is a critical planning skill that improves the efficiency. It helps break down complex problems such as determining the bandwidth of UPS truck full of hard drive by using dimensional analysis. For scheduling estimating tasks, durations require a methodical approach. Break tasks into smaller units, keep logs of time spent on each task, and compare actual times with initial estimates. Be mindful of Parkinson's law, where work tends to stretch to fit the time available. It's also important to account for documentation, cleanup, and review, which often take more time than expected. Proper estimation ensures project remains on track. In project planning, tasks often take longer than expected due to unforeseen challenges, required iterations, and team members and other commitments. Agile Velocities offers a way to handle these uncertainties by decoupling effort from time. Instead of estimating time in hours, tasks are measured in relative effort units like story points. Velocity is the total number of story points completed by the team in one sprint. This metric helps in planning future sprints and forecasting milestones. Agile methods allow flexibility and adaptability, ensuring a smoother progress towards goal. Deliverables and milestones are essential components of any project plan. Deliverables are the tangible output provided to clients, such as mock-ups, prototypes, reports, or even working code. Milestones, on the other hand, are internal markers that signify the completion of certain activities or phases, such as reaching testing targets or ending a sprint. Milestones provide visibility into project progress, making it easier to monitor and ensure everything stays on schedule. Together, these elements keep the project on track and align with both internal and external expectations. An outline plan serves as the backbone of any successful project. It includes a preliminary timetable, process steps, and key milestones. Decision points where critical choices about the projects are made must also be outlined. Dependencies and interactions with external parties such as vendors or regulatory bodies need to be identified early on. An outline plan is not static, it should be reviewed, refined, and revised regularly to adapt to changing circumstances and ensure alignment with project goals. Risk management is an important part of any project to prepare for uncertainties. The first step is identifying potential risks through brainstorming sessions where the team lists what could go wrong. Next, we analyze these risks by evaluating their likelihood and consequences. Once analyzed, we prioritize them based on their impact on the project. After identifying and analyzing risks, we plan strategies to manage them. This includes avoiding risks by reducing their likelihood, mitigating them by listing their consequences, and having a contingency or plan B in place if the plan A fails. Monitoring is crucial throughout the project. Our risks can evolve and new ones may emerge. Regular updates help ensure we stay prepared and maintain control over the project's progress. A successful project requires a well-written and well-presented project plan. The plan must be concise enough that everyone involved can read and understand it, yet comprehensive enough to cover all the essential topics without skipping important details. A project plan that is not read or understood by the team and stakeholders is essentially useless. When creating a project plan, we need to consider several factors, including team availability and skills, time constraints, required equipment, and client availability. It's also crucial to clearly define the project scope, avoiding unrealistic ambitions. A project plan should be a living document that guides a project from start to finish, helping everyone stay aligned and focused on the goals. Without careful planning, our projects can quickly go off the track. So, through concentration, all these factors is essential. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you in your software development journey.